So completed the majority of the welding on the welding table. And I'm kind of debating on whether or not to put that round half-inch steel there. It's really just to hold clamps and grinders, and I've got one over there already welded in, and I think this is actually this one would kind of get in the way of the shelf, so I don't think I'm going to do it. I may put another one on that side, but I did cut some of these guys right here, 45-degree 4-inch pieces, just to hang wires on, or hang cables on, or even the ground too. I got my feet welded on. And I got to flip it over, finish up the welds on the bottom, and make a decision on this rod here. And that's it. Prime it, clean it up, prime it, paint it, and then I'm going to order the top. I'm going to order the shelf tomorrow. It's going to be a 1/4-inch plate. I may even do 3/16. I don't know. It doesn't have to be that big or that thick. So I'm going to get the shelf, weld that in, and then clean the whole thing up, finish the grinding, prime it, paint it, and then order my top. Put the top and the wheels on. Good to go.